Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, back with another Halo Plus on this 2020 Range Rover Sport. So the way it works, with the phone or the code, the customer can start the vehicle, it can drive normally. If their phone's not present, a thief has got the key, they've got in the vehicle and they've tried to steal it, the vehicle's going to start up. They're going to select a gear. When they do, the car's going to cut out and we're going to get a silent immobilisation. As you can see, the revs have dropped. But with the Halo Plus, the customer's going to get a phone call, so they're going to know straight away someone's in the vehicle trying to steal it. So as you can see, Range Rover Sport, Halo Plus by Immobiliser Fit. We'll just end that call. If the thief's then silly enough to try again, they'll start it up, select their gear, horn's going to go mad, and the car cuts out. So we'll just use the code to disarm this. That silences it. Obviously, if they don't know the code, it's going to keep going for 30 seconds and start the cycle again. Once again, we're getting another phone call. So this is the Halo Plus. For the customer to drive this vehicle, how they would do it is either Bluetooth on their phone and simply start it, or if their phone's not here, they'll start the vehicle up, go through a push sequence that they can obviously change, hear a double bleep, and we can select our gear. And the vehicle runs, doesn't stall out. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Halo Plus. Uses the phone, uses the push sequence, rings you if someone's in the vehicle, and fires the horn on the second attempt. Once again, our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.